I'm Justin, and this is my stolen center. I got ODI long necks green. I got ODI bar ends. I got the stolen big boy bars. A stolen clutch stem. An Odyssey headset. And I have stolen Vortex forks. Then a stolen revolver rim laced to a stock hub with shadow spokes. I have a Tioga 20.25 front tire. Then I have the stolen Thermalite seat and seat post with the shadow seat clamp. I have stolen mob cranks with stolen Thermalite pedals. And I have the shadow crank and bones chain wheel and a Shadow V something hub. Chain. I got a stolen revolver rear rim laced to an Odyssey V3 hub, and then a Maxxis Miracle tire 2.10. And that's it. That's my bike.